PRINCE2 Overview Program, Mastering the Foundation of Controlled Project Management. Welcome to Section 1, Introduction to PRINCE2. In this chapter, we'll understand what PRINCE2 is and briefly explore its origin and ownership. PRINCE2 stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. It is a structured and widely recognized project management methodology. It provides a scalable and clearly defined framework to manage all types of projects, ensuring that everything is controlled and successfully delivered. The UK government originally developed PRINCE2, and now it is owned by Axelos. A simple definition: PRINCE2 is a process-based method that uses common vocabulary, defines clear roles and responsibilities, and outlines specific management products to ensure projects stay well controlled from start to finish. Let's now look at the history of PRINCE2 to understand where it came from and how it evolved over time. In the 1970s, the roots of PRINCE2 can be traced back to a method called PROMPT2. This was a project management method mainly used for IT projects. Then, in 1989, the UK government's Central Computer and Telecommunications Agency, CCTA, adapted PROMPT2 for their internal use. They renamed it PRINCE short for PROMPT2 in the CCTA environment. In 1996, PRINCE underwent a major revision to make it suitable for all kinds of projects, not just IT. This revised version was named PRINCE2. In 2013, ownership of PRINCE2 was transferred from the UK government to Axelos Limited, a joint venture between the Cabinet Office and Capita. Finally, in 2021, Peoplecert acquired Axelos and became the sole owner of PRINCE2 and other Axelos certifications. Here's a real-world example. Think of PRINCE2 as a detailed instruction manual for managing any project. Just like an architect uses blueprints to build a house, a project manager uses PRINCE2 to keep the project on track and ensure successful delivery. While PRINCE2 originated in the UK, its adoption is truly global, especially in Europe and government sectors worldwide. Its strength lies in its adaptability. It's used everywhere from IT to construction, healthcare, and finance. If you're in an industry that demands strong governance, clear documentation, and a structured approach, PRINCE2 is highly relevant. This slide compares PRINCE2 with two other popular project management approaches, PMP and Agile. Let's start with PRINCE2. PRINCE2 is a process-based methodology, meaning it focuses on the how-to of project management. It is highly prescriptive, giving detailed guidance about what needs to be done, by whom, and when. It emphasizes control, governance, and breaking down projects into manageable stages. It is generic and scalable, so it can be used for almost any project, but it's often seen as more suitable for structured and controlled environments. Next is PMP, Project Management Professional. PMP is a credential provided by PMI, Project Management Institute. It focuses on what a project manager should know and how processes are applied, not just steps. It draws on a broad body of knowledge, including predictive, agile, and hybrid project approaches. PMP emphasizes leadership, experience, and practical application of project management. It's best suited for experienced project managers who want to validate their skills across different industries. In short, PRINCE2 gives you a clear framework. PMP focuses on knowledge and application, and Agile, not shown here but often compared, focuses on flexibility and customer collaboration. Now let's talk about Agile, which includes methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, and PMI ACP. Agile is not a strict method, but rather a mindset or philosophy based on principles of flexibility and adaptability. Frameworks like Scrum and Kanban offer lightweight structures for quick, iterative progress. Agile emphasizes collaboration, fast delivery, continuous improvement, and self-organizing teams. It's best suited for projects with changing requirements, high uncertainty, or where customer feedback is needed rapidly, such as software development or innovative product design. Key differences and similarities. PRINCE2 is a detailed methodology, PMP is a standard, and Agile is more of a mindset. PRINCE2 is prescriptive, whereas Agile is adaptive. PMP can support both approaches. Agile and PRINCE2 can actually be used together, such as in the PRINCE2 Agile certification. PMP professionals might also blend Agile or Prince, two elements depending on the project. Real-world examples. A government manager may use PRINCE2 for control-heavy projects. A seasoned U.S. project manager might take PMP to show broad skills. A tech startup may prefer Agile for fast iterations and feedback. PRINCE2 isn't just for massive government projects. Its beauty is its scalability. You can tailor it. For a small, simple project, you'd use a lighter touch, fewer documents. For a huge, complex one, you'd apply its full power for maximum control. This flexibility means it works across the board. PRINCE2 really shines in two areas: business justification and governance. Every project must have a valid business reason to exist, and that reason is constantly checked. If the project loses its value, you stop it. Also, it has super clear roles and responsibilities, and it uses management by exception, meaning senior managers only get involved when something goes significantly off track. This saves a lot of time and ensures strong oversight. One of the key strengths of PRINCE2 is the clarity it brings to project management, especially around roles, stages, and deliverables. 1. Clarity in roles and responsibilities. PRINCE2 clearly defines roles for everyone involved, such as the project board, which includes the executive, senior user, and senior supplier, the project manager, team managers, and support roles like project assurance and project support. Each role comes with well-defined responsibilities. This helps avoid confusion, duplication of effort, and gaps in accountability. It also separates management roles from delivery roles, making control and oversight more effective. 2. Clarity in stages, management by stages. Projects are divided into manageable stages, with planned reviews at the end of each stage, called stage gates. Each stage has its own plan, budget, and specific deliverables. This structured staging improves planning, control, and decision-making. It allows the organization to stop, continue, or revise the project at key points, reducing risks and increasing success. Now let's talk about clarity in deliverables, which is achieved through something called product-based planning in PRINCE2. This approach ensures that the project team first defines exactly what needs to be delivered. These are the products or deliverables, and what quality standards they must meet. Only after that, the team identifies the activities required to create those deliverables. This method brings immense clarity because the entire team knows what the end result should be, not just how to do the work. It helps control scope, improves planning, and reduces confusion or misalignment. Real-world example. In a construction project, for example, using PRINCE2, you might have stages like foundation, framing, and roofing. And for each stage, there will be clearly defined outputs like concrete slab completed or wooden frame installed, along with reviews at the end of each stage to ensure everything is on track. Think of foundation as understanding the PRINCE2 rulebook, and practitioner as actually playing the game using the rulebook. Foundation gives you the theory and terminology. It's closed book. Practitioner is about applying that knowledge to real-world scenarios. It's open book, so you can refer to the manual to solve problems. Practitioner is for those who will actively manage projects using PRINCE2. Let's now understand the key changes introduced in the PRINCE2 7th edition, released in 2023, and how it differs from the 6th edition. 1. New People element. The 7th edition now includes people as a core element of PRINCE2. This recognizes that human factors, like team collaboration, communication, and stakeholder relationships, play a vital role in project success. It complements the existing structure of principles, practices, and processes. Second themes. Renamed to practices. In the 6th edition, we had themes. These are now renamed as practices in the 7th edition, like business case, quality, risk, and so on. This better reflects that these are not just theoretical concepts, but must be consistently applied throughout the project lifecycle. 3. New Performance Target Sustainability. PRINCE2 now includes sustainability as a 7th performance target. Earlier, we had 6 benefits: cost, time, quality, scope, and risk. This update shows an increasing focus on environmental, social, and economic impact. Continuing with the updates in PRINCE2 7th edition, here are 3 more important changes. 4. Digital and data management. New guidance has been added to highlight the growing importance of digital transformation and data-driven decision-making in projects. This ensures that project teams are better equipped to handle the digital demands of today's work environment. 5. Streamlined roles. Some roles have been simplified or refined. Additionally, there is better guidance now on integrating change management, making role clarity and transitions smoother within the project. 6. Exam changes. The pass marks for both foundation and practitioner exams have been raised to 60%. Also, the practitioner exam now has more scenario-based questions, encouraging practical thinking and application. Let's now talk about who should consider PRINCE2 certification. 1. Aspiring project managers. If you're new to project management and looking for a structured methodology to begin with, the foundation level is an excellent starting point. It gives you the basic knowledge to understand how projects are run using PRINCE2. 2. Project team members. Team members can benefit by understanding the method, their roles, the processes, and expected deliverables. This helps them contribute more effectively and align better with project goals. 3. Project managers, especially those working in environments that require control, governance, and standardization, such as in government or regulated industries. The practitioner level helps them tailor PRINCE2 for real-world projects. 4th, program and portfolio managers. These professionals can improve their oversight and decision-making by understanding how projects are controlled at a detailed level. Continuing from the previous slide, let's look at a few more groups who can benefit from PRINCE2 certification. 5. Senior management and project board members. Understanding. PRINCE2 principles such as management by exception and continued business justification helps them provide better strategic direction and ensure strong governance across projects. 6. Professionals seeking career advancement. Since PRINCE2 is a globally recognized credential, it adds great value to your resume. It's especially helpful for opening doors to project-based roles in companies or regions that actively adopt this methodology. 7. Those transitioning to project roles. If you're moving into a new project-oriented role, PRINCE2 gives you a solid framework for managing responsibilities confidently and professionally. Example: a business analyst might use PRINCE2 Foundation to better understand the project context and collaborate more efficiently. A senior IT manager, on the other hand, might go for the practitioner level to manage complex transformations in their department.